Grabovoi, concentration exercises, 21st day of the month. Exercise number 1. On the 21st day of the month, you should concentrate on numerical sequences that run backwards. For example, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. The numbers presented in such a sequence must fall in the interval between 1 and 31, the maximum number of days in a month. This gives you 31 numbers to work with. Trust your intuition in deciding what numbers you will choose for your sequence. Exercise number 2, 7-digit sequence of numbers. 8, 1, 5, 3, 5, 1, 7. 9-digit sequence. 5, 8, 9, 1, 4, 8, 5, 4, 2. Exercise number 3. Look at how a mountain stream runs down the mountainside. Look at the melting of snow. If you have seen these pictures with your normal vision, look at the images with your mind's eye. You will discover that your thoughts are no different than your eyes. You will realize that your consciousness is not different from your body, and you will see how your soul builds your body. Don't forget this knowledge. Transfer it from one second to the next and share it with others. By creating eternity out of the moment, you will build your own self eternally. It will be as though, without any special effort, you have lived before, and this eternal process of creation is what we call eternal life. Construct other objects around yourself based on the same principle and build other worlds. Create joy, plant wheat and make the bread. Build new tools and machines, and make sure that the machines are not harmful and not destructive, and you will see that you live in this world, and it is given unto you, and that God and your own consciousness are present in these machines. Stop the machines if they threaten you. Restore the body when it is ill. Put into effect resurrection when someone has departed. Do not permit the departure of another person. You are a creator and a maker. Go and take action and move forward in harmony with the entire world. Move in harmony with all creation, in harmony with everything that will ever be created throughout eternity, in all manifestations of the world, and in harmony with your own self.